Okay, so we're kind of just cover quickly how we're going to be creating products in Shopify from now on. It's a very quick, very quick and simple process that we've kind of built here. And this will be doing it for the foreseeable future as far as on this wing of the production cycle goes. So all you'll do every day is just check Trello. You'll have this new board shared with you. Most of these columns, like these right here, these will go away in the future. We'll have moving pieces right now, but the only actual column you got to worry about is the column for correct colors. So it's right here. And this just kind of tells you which ones are ready to go. So for this example, we will be creating the products in Shopify for large license sorting. Number one, black letter or block letter, sorry. Yep, block letter. I'm going blind here. So yeah, we're gonna go and create those products. So the first thing we would do is download the artwork, or I guess the design mockups. So we'll go to Adobe, go to Files, go back to the main overview, go to K and C. We'll go to sorority since we're doing a large license. Or I'm gonna move this over here. Since we're doing a large license sorority, went to sorority. Said it was large licensed. And then we said we're doing number one. And I believe these are done. Let's see. Nope, these are not all done. We're not doing number one. We are going to do numero. Let's check number three. We're going to do number three instead. Number three. And you don't need to worry about the designs. We're going to go find the folder that says ZZ. And inside folder ZZ, we're going to see all these different mockups. It may be broken down farther. Sometimes there'll be a folder for like t-shirts and one for crew necks. It'll just depend. But what you're gonna do is you're gonna go through and you're gonna download all of these designs. So for this example, I would just download a few of them because we're gonna need the crew necks. Um, and you can do it either way. I probably would recommend going through and download just the crew necks together and then put those in a folder and then download the t-shirts together and put those in a folder. In this situation, I'll just download them all together. Really just whatever you find to go faster. Whoops. Whatever you find to go faster for you. Um, so we'll go through. Maybe I'll just go through two right now. So we'll do that. Actually, we're gonna start with just the t-shirts. It would be best. I'll do one more t-shirt. We're not even worried about the crew necks. For this example, we'll just do the t-shirts. It'll be that much easier. Cool. So I'm gonna put all these in here, and then, whoops, I didn't want to do that. Let's just X out of that. We don't need that. Cool. I'm going to go to my downloads. And let's have grab all these actually. Perfect. And again, I recommend putting a folder there, make everything a lot easier. I just didn't. Um, Mockups. So obviously for sororities, there are 27 or 26. So you should have 52 mockups, I suppose, for the t-shirts. I'm actually going to get rid of these crew necks because we're going to do crew necks. Or because it's really the exact same thing as t-shirts. So there's no reason to do both for you guys. Cool. So we have one, two. Oh, looks like I'm missing one still. What's going on here? We have AKO, AD pi, alpha epsilon phi. Oh, wait, no, we're not. We're good. I am literally having a hard time today. Okay. So we have our mockups. Cool. All that's left to do now is to create the products in Shopify. So we made it as easy as possible by kind of creating these templates for you. So what you'll do is we're creating t-shirts for sororities. So what I'll do is I would just type in template. Even better, and as you can see, so far we're actually currently creating these right now, which is why they're not all here, but you can see the first sets here. We have, AKO, alpha phi, alpha omicron pi, alpha gamma delta, alpha epsilon phi, AD pi, alpha delta pi, and we're gonna have all 26 here and they're actually being created right now, which is why they're not all here yet. But in this example, I downloaded the Alpha Chi Omega, and you can see this is sorority t-shirt. And then I downloaded the, I think it's Alpha Phi and Alpha Epsilon Phi, maybe. So we'll go through and do those really quick. But what I would do is, I'm actually gonna put this in its own little tab so it makes it easier to follow. I would first see what mockups I have. So we're doing Alpha Chi, AD Pi, and Alpha Epsilon Phi. What I would do is I'd go and I'd open up each of those. So I'd do Alpha Chi Omega. I'd open that in a new tab for sure. And then we did Alpha Epsilon Phi, and I said Alpha Delta Pi. So when you open these, everything's already ready to go. Everything from the like the mock-ups to the sizing and whatnot. This is the kind of a template you're going to use when you're creating the product. So for Alpha Chi Omega, you're going to open the template and then you're going to click duplicate. And what you should do is just get rid of the copy of, and then you should get rid of the template word because we don't need it to say template. But instead, if we check Trello, probably should have kept that over here. If we check Trello, we can see we're doing for number 3 the pink letter. So we're doing large license order number 3 and it's called pink letter. So I would replace template with pink letter. And then we should copy images and copy our SKUs. And we'll click duplicate. And everything's gonna be perfect. We have the title's perfect. No need to touch the title now because we just changed it. We got rid of copy of and got rid of template, named it pink letter. This is all perfect. All the description stuff's already set. We already have, let's say, Alpha Chi Omega and whatnot here. We already have 2 of the pictures in here, so you just need to add in the 2 remaining pictures. So I would just add in those. Oops, wrong one. I will add in the AKIO white background and decorative background. Always put the decorative background first. If we ever change things up, we'll definitely let you all know. But as far as right now goes, definitely put in this decorative background first. So it'll go decorative background and then white background. So we do the title, we do the description, or you don't even touch the description. We do the images, and then these 2 pieces are very, very important. The SKUs must be changed. So the SKUs are already all put in here, just where they need to be. The only thing you need to do is add in the number of the design number. So for instance, this design we're working on right now is design number 3. So it's very important that you add in the number 3 to the beginning of each SKU. Just like that. And after that, the other very important thing to do is we need to add in the correct tag. So for when we do tags, we're going to add in, for sororities, you'll do sorority design, and you hashtag or pound sign, if you want to call it, design number 3. I'm actually going to copy that. Whoops. Or I won't. Sorority design number 3. Click enter. And now I'm actually going to add that in twice. Yep, we're good. So we went through, we copied the original template for Alpha Chi Omega, and we changed the title. We added in 2 new pictures. We put in the number 3 at the beginning of these, and we added in the design, or the tag sorority design number 3. I don't recommend copying and pasting this, because you're going to just keep putting that in for the other products. And anyways, once that's done, all you're going to do is you would click save. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure I didn't miss anything. I just put a little note thing here. We did that. Click duplicate top. We did that. We uploaded new pictures. We added a tag. And then we add the number beginning of the SKU. And cool. And once you have that done, we finish the Alpha Chi Omega design. We can go and just X out of that. And we do the next one. And then what I would recommend you doing is for your mockup folder, just have the stuff in sort by name in alphabetical order. That way you know, okay, well, the next one is Alpha Delta Pi. You can also open the templates however you want. So once that's done, you can just X out of it. That's been saved, it's done. And now we have, let's do the Alpha Delta Pi one because that's the next in line. Then we have the Alpha Delta Pi template. And again, what we would do is you can see the template's all ready to go. We don't edit the template, instead we always duplicate it. So when I duplicate the template, we get rid of copy of. And then what you'll see is we have Alpha Delta Pi template, get rid of template, and we're doing pink letter. I've already forgotten what it's called. I think it was pink letter, wasn't it? Pink letter, yep, cool. Pink letter t-shirt, copy the images, copy the SKUs, and that looks good. We'll click the duplicate. And now we got our perfect duplicate thing. Title's good, description's good. Again, we just add the media. This is Alpha Delta Pi, we'll open those. We'll go down here, we're changing the SKUs to 3. Whoops, at the beginning. 3, 3, 3. And then ideally, again, you copied that from earlier. However, not so, we would just, I'll put it back in sorority design. That's already there for me. Number 3, cool, and there it is. So here's what we did. And then of course, decorative images first, white images. So we changed the title, this we don't touch. We add our 2 pictures, update the SKUs with the design number, and then added the next sorority thing. And we'll click save. Once that saves, X out, Alpha Epsilon Phi template. Again, this is the template. See, as you can see in the description, it also says Alpha Epsilon Phi, says it up here. Again, when we opened it up, it told us right here what template it was. We'll just duplicate it for the Alpha Epsilon Phi one. Get rid of copy of, get rid of template. We're doing pink letter. Go to images, SKUs, duplicate. And then once we're here, all that's good. I will just add in our two last images here. And then again, down here in our SKUs, I'm gonna go through, I'm gonna add in 3, 3, 3, 3, and 3. Cool. And then we got sorority design number 3. I should have copied that, but I didn't. Okay, there. Cool. So now we have title, description, pictures, SKUs updated, tag set. We'll click save, and we're good. So you'll do exactly what I just did there, except you'll do it for all the houses, right? So when we were in Adobe back here, you should have downloaded the t-shirts for, all 26 houses. So you have 52 pictures for t-shirts because there's one decorative background and then there's one white background for it. Once they're downloaded, you put them in a folder and you just go through, and as you see, it's very, very, very quick. Just make sure you're adding those tags and make sure you're changing those SKUs. That's the big two things. And other than that, just make sure the pictures are in order, the correct pictures are uploaded, get rid of the copy of in the title, and really that's it. Once you're done with the task, let's say I went through, got all 26 done, I'd move it to products created, and we're good to go there. However, that's not completely finished yet. So yeah, that's all it takes to go through and create the products on Shopify for all this.